Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to show you an updated version of our Greek Easter bread. Let's get started. Add 6 eggs to a stand mixer. Then 2 cups of sugar, the zest of 1 orange, and 1 cup of orange juice. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, a half a tablespoon of mahleb, and a half a tablespoon of mastic. Mix on low. Stop the mixer and add 4 cups of warm milk and a half a cup of oil. Add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, and 1.5 tablespoons of dry active yeast. Now turn the stand mixer back on and give it a good mix. Now slowly stop the mixer and add all-purpose flour. Add your flour 1 cup at a time until it forms a dough. It could be anywhere from 12 to 16 cups. Once the dough has formed a ball, remove it from the stand mixer and add it to a large greased bowl. Knead it for about 3 minutes and cover and set aside in a warm place until it has tripled in size. It could take up to 2.5 hours. Once it's increased significantly in volume, pinch off some dough and start having fun. We had a great time being creative. Making mistakes is all part of the fun and contributes to lasting memories with family and friends. We had fun with 3-strand braids, 4 strands, and even 6 strands. Once it's all done, cover it again in plastic wrap and allow it to double. Once the dough's doubled, brush it with egg wash and sprinkle it with sesame seeds or sliced or slivered almonds or dyed eggs. Now preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. And there you have it, Greek Easter bread. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a Tuesday or Wednesday upload. Feel free to comment if you have any suggestions or ideas for future videos. If you want to help our channel grow, send this video to family and friends. Thank you for tuning in today, and see you next time on Plate on a Budget.